We're now discovering new details about a legal fight that's been going on for years involving a high-risk pregnancy that ended in tragedy.
Yeah, this week a jury deciding the pregnant woman's former employer was in the wrong to the tune of $22.5 million. WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes is live downtown for us with new information about this case. Hey, Todd.
Hi, Chris and Sheree. Yeah, this is about a lawsuit filed in a Hamilton County courtroom here behind me that is rooted in the tragic death of a baby. At its core, the case revolves around a sequence of events that unfolded over the course of several days back in February of 2021. That's when Chelsea Walsh, a former worker for Total Quality Logistics, or TQL, gave birth to her daughter 5 months into her pregnancy following a surgical procedure to prevent preterm labor. Sadly, Walsh's baby did not survive. In early 2023, Walsh filed a wrongful death lawsuit alleging that TQL had refused to allow her to work from home after the surgery she had had, despite doctors instructing Walsh to limit her activity and remain on modified bed rest. Walsh's legal team argued that TQL interfered with medical recommendations, depriving the baby a chance of survival, writing in their complaint that, quote, TQL presented Walsh with an impossible choice. Now, lawyers for TQL pushed back in their legal filings, arguing that they offered Walsh a continued leave of absence and granted her work from home request. That offer to work at home, though, came just hours before Walsh gave birth to her daughter, who died a short time later. Now reporting live downtown, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
So, Todd, we've been talking about this. TQL, of course, extending the company's condolences to the Walsh family. But do we know if an appeal of the jury's verdict is possible here?
That's a question that a lot of people are asking tonight. I did reach out to attorneys involved in the case on both sides, trying to get their perspective on what could happen next, what did happen with the jury's verdict. They all declined to speak on camera, at least today. And in a statement, TQL has said that it disagrees with the verdict and is evaluating its legal options. Chris?
All right, our Todd Dykes reporting live for us downtown. Todd, thank you so much.